Yo, what up? It's your boy B Phil here with the trade ideas for 12/13/22. No trade yesterday. So it looks like we're coming up into this zone right now on the NASDAQ. Let's see here. I still like this zone. Maybe we can break down, last up move for the down move, some refinement. Excuse me, something like that. Look, it's almost there. Let's go ahead and wait for a confirmation in that zone. It'll come up. This is 24-minute time frame. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Let's go ahead and check and see if we have additional refinements. Yeah, you see it's quite perfectly 6-minute. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that we can wait for price action to come up into here. Once we see it come up into here, depending on what it does, we probably want to see it break down on this low, unless we see it come up and slightly pull back and break up one more time, and then we want to see it break the previous low somewhere in here probably. But for now, in the meantime, in between time, what we're going to be looking at is this low here. We want to go ahead and see this low broken. This loading's crazy. Goodness gracious. Yeah, we want to see a break of, let's go here. We want to see a break of structure here. BOS. Yeah, that's the ideal. All right, we just got the alert. It's coming into this particular zone. It's about to hit 6 a.m., 8 a.m. Eastern. So we would potentially see a setup coming in here. Let's go down. Let's see what's going on lower time frame. Yeah, I mean, ultimately, I don't. Break up. Right here, we still want to see this broken before we do anything. Break, retest, right? Just very simple, basic strategy. All right, let's go to the euro. See what we have going on here. Looks like we're finally tapping into the zone here. We're in there. We're moving sideways. And ultimately, what I want to still see is this break here, it looks like. So we break up. We're still in this sideways range. How was I looking at that? Break down, come back up. Yeah. So we break. We have a little sideways action here, and then we break up again. And we finally break below. But I mean, this is very wicky in this area. Very, very wicky. So I don't know if I really want to trust that. What I would trust, though, is if it comes back down here to break the structure and then come and retest some of the zones up in here. So we'll leave that at that with the euro. Let's get gold. Looks like we're still waiting for price to come back into here somehow, some way. Let's go back in here. We got this down move. Break up, break down. Comes back up here. Looks like he tested in here to go lower. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I mean, ultimately, we still see this as bullish. Although there are a lot of zones down here to come and fill. A lot. You see these long, basically these very, very high volume candles, right? They're very big. The bodies are huge bodies, right? But then you still have these last down moves for the up moves. And so, all right, sell to buy, right? Sell to buy, right? And then now looks kind of like maybe we'll start to turn around. I don't know. It looks very interesting here. I do want to say that we are in some type of bullish price action, though. I want to say that. Is it true or not? It's hard to tell. Ain't no telling because you got all these equal lows right here, right? Basically equal lows to be liquidated to go lower here. Price doesn't have to do it, but it potentially could. I guess technically if we see this break though, a nice body close, then we probably will see higher price action. If not, then right now it looks like we'd probably be fighting to see a break here. Right, so either these breaks with the close, a body close specifically, I think that'll determine the direction for me. Maybe I'm overthinking this at this point. Let's move on to GJ. Bullish on the daily. Comes back down. Short-term bearish. Probably down to here somewhere. Right, because we had this break body close. So all this is valid for buys. Then we just had it slightly meander up. And it fell. And it looks like it's starting to break back up, but probably we want to see it coming in here, something like this. Something like that, because we probably can go down to a lower time frame, find something like this. And we'd want to see price action coming in here before we think about taking any type of buys. Let's go ahead and make this a demand. All right. Let's go ahead and look at this ticker. What do we got going on here? On the daily, let's look at the weekly. Still bearish. I mean, maybe something like this. Maybe. Right. Potentially something like that, right? On the weekly. It's barely starting to tap in here. You look at the daily. It's just, it looks like it still could fall a bit more. I hate saying that. I really do hate saying that, but it looks like it can fall a bit more, especially if this is the zone. We can push down further into the zone, and then we see some break, retest to go higher. We are definitely at an important area, as some of the gurus would say. Let's go to 1 week. Yeah, it's pretty odd looking price action. Let's go to BTC. Drop down 17,413 grand. 17,413, right? Let's go to the daily. Looks like we were looking for a short up, but it's starting to move up higher. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to move up. That moved up rather quickly. That's interesting. All right, we'll go ahead and leave it at that. Silver. Closed above. Started moving sideways, like we could potentially see some rejection here. But I do want to go ahead and buy in at this $21.58 level. Last but certainly not least, let's go to the hash graph, Hedera hash graph. Let's go ahead and check it out, y'all. Get that price action. Just fell off the face of the earth. Is it going to come back up? I don't know. It's 4 cents. Should we expect it to come back up? That's the real question. Should we expect it, or is it going to be something that's going to be of use, and it shouldn't even be that high if we're going to continuously use these tokens to do things inside of the crypto world, or Web3, as the gurus put it. And I'm no guru. I just point y'all in the right direction. All right, so there we go. Yeah, I mean, ultimately, I'm not going to trade that. It looks like dog shit. All right, so anyways, that is the trade ideas for 12, 13, 22. Go ahead and leave a comment, hit the like button, and of course, subscribe if you're trying to continue on this journey with your boy, become consistently profitable. You have a wonderful day. Peace.